today with CheapLandFarm.com. So this video is to show you how do you order a property online. So the first step, of course, is going to be finish your due diligence. You're all happy with the land, understand the land use, zoning code, that kind of thing. And then you will be click there. If you don't know those questions, don't feel comfortable, please do not order any of our property online. Anyways, so click this property page, for example, for this 2 acres, and you visit the property, and then you said, hey, I'm ready to buy. And then here has our cash price, and here has our seller financing price. These are two different price. So seller financing price equal to this number times the 48 months, and then adding the $3,000 down. So that would be the seller financing price, and this is going to be the cash price. And then you just click the buy now button. So buy now button is just for us to prepare all the closing documents. So this property is for $497. This is a one-time non-refundable doc fee for us to prepare all the closing documents. There's no other fees after this. Just so you know, if you prefer, if this is for cash and you prefer to close via a title company, please call me first. So my contact information is on the website. So we need to align all the details and to move forward. But for anything about in-house, this is more for in-house closing, regardless you're paying cash or seller financing. So this one, you're going to fill your name, your address, and also again for in-house closing, which you want to seller financing. Seller financing is only in-house closing. There's no title company, just so you know. Any questions? Again, let me know. But anyways, just fill out the information and then just check out. So once you check out on day 2, you're gonna receive a land contract or purchase agreement, depending on the nature of the deal, depending on this from us, and you just need to e-sign. We using sign now, basic email to email you, and then once you e-sign, you just need to uh, there has a payment method, ACH collection authorizational form will be there. You just need to fill all the information. We're gonna be set up all the auto payment instruction. If you click the FAQ, frequent asked questions, all the closing details should be there. You can read it. And then whenever you paid in full, just so you know, whenever you paid in full, we'll deed it property to you within 10 business days. So that's the big picture. So regardless about the seller financing collection day, so your down payment gonna be after you click the buy now on day 1, your down payment gonna be collected on day 3, and then day 30th is your first monthly payment. So anyways, if you have any questions, just give me a call here, and then also just send me this email here. All the property listed on CheapLandFarm.com is owned by us. Okay, we're not middleman. We're not representing anyone to sell. These are our property, owned by us. Okay. I hope this video helps. Thank you.